What's up, man? So the Monza factory we have just launched the product which is D-Max 20 and D-Max 24, which is the interior accessories. So let's take a look how many pieces that we have. So first of all, the stereo. Because I have to talk about this one because there's a different types of stereo frame cover that we have. This one is for 20, and that is from D-Max 24, which is no top lines in here. Alright, so next up, we got the armrest cover, which is just the window switch panel cover. So for this one, for all both actually, we have two design of the fabric as the same. This one is twill weave and F1 design, very distinct. Let me show you how inside looks. Those of you who are interested in our product, which is a carbon fiber interiors of D-Max 20 and D-Max 24, please reach out to us at Facebook page Monza Factory, Pageแท and any other platforms down below. Thank you very much.